Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question we are taking this up from the topic of probability. And if I talk about the question which is given to us here from this topic, the question tells us that a student appeared in an examination which consists of 8 true or false type questions and the student guesses the answers with equal probability. So probability of answering the question as true is also half and probability of answering the question as false is also half. Now once that is given to us, we have been asked what is the smallest value of n so that probability of guessing at least n correct answers is less than half. So we need to figure out what is the probability of getting at least n correct answers less than half. So let's find the smallest value of n here so that we get this idea satisfied. And if I talk about the answer choices that are given to us here, they are 5, 6, 3, and the last one given to us is 4. So we need to figure out which one of the answer choice is the correct answer for the question given to us. So let's see. So if I use the idea of binomial distribution here, because I have either the probability of getting the answer as true or false, so I have also been given that the given probability is less than. We know that either the probability of guessing the answer is true or false. So it is a binomial distribution. And whenever it is a binomial distribution, we know probability can be just found out by NCR, P raised to n minus r into q raised to r. So where p is the probability of guessing the answer as true and probability of guessing the answer as false, which in this case is half. So half raised to n minus r and half raised to r. And since we have been told that total number of questions to be answered are 8, so n in this case becomes 8cr and half raised to 8 minus r into half raised to r. Now, once I have this entire probability, it is told to me that probability of guessing at least n correct answers. So I know now that it is summation of all the questions answered from n to 8, 8 being the highest number of questions answered correct. That is given by 8cr, half raised to 8 minus r, and half raised to r. That is basically less than half. So if I try to figure out this idea and solve it further, I get this r is equal to n to 8, 8cr. This becomes half raised to 8 minus r plus r. So it becomes 8 less than half. Now, once I have this, if I apply my idea, I get 8cn half raised to 8 plus 8cn plus 1 half raised to 8 plus 8cn plus 2 half raised to 8. This goes on. So basically half raised to 8 is everywhere. This goes on till you have the last one 8c8 half raised to. So it is consisting of all such terms which is less than 128. So you have entire list here. If I see half raised to 8 is common and you are left with 8cn plus 8cn plus 1 plus 8cn plus 2 and further on till 8c8. That is less than half. Now if I take 2 raised to 8 on the other side, it gives you 8cn, 8cn plus 1, 8cn plus 2, and this continues on till 8c. That is basically less than 2 raised to 8 over 2. 2 cancels, you have 2 raised to 7, which is 128. So entire addition of this, all the things is till 8c8. This entire thing is less than 128. Now, once I have this entire thing, I know one condition that says NCO plus NC1 plus NC2 plus this till NCN, it is equal to 2 raised to n. So if I use that idea here, 8C0, 8C1, 8C2, all of that stuff till 8C8, It is nothing but 2 raised to 8, and 2 raised to 8 we know it is 256. So I can use the idea that 8C0 plus 8C1 plus 8C2 plus, let's say, somewhere 8Cn minus 1, then 8Cn till 8C8 is 256. So I can write this entire list of 8Cn till 8C8, 8Cn plus 2 till 8C8 as 256 minus 8C0 plus 8C1 plus 8C2 plus 8C3 till 8Cn minus 1. Now, once I have this entire thing with me, I can use that condition here. So if I write this condition now, I get it as 256 minus 8C0 plus 8C1 plus 8C2 plus 8C3 till 8Cn minus 1. It is equal to 128. And from here I get 8C0 plus 8C1 plus 8C2 plus 8C3 till 8Cn minus 1. Whatever is the value of n, it is equal to, since it was lesser here, it should not be equal. So let's put that. So let's remove that equals to, it's less than. So it is less than. So if I am taking this entire list on the other side, this becomes greater than, and 256 minus 128 gives you 128. So we need to find the smallest value of n such that this entire sum of the expression becomes greater than 128. So if I find out 8C0, we know it is 1, 8C1 is 8, 8C2 8 into 7 over 2, which is 28, 8C3, 876, 321, which is 56. So if I add this, I get till now 9. This 3 if I add, I get 37. This 3 if I add, I get 86 and 93. Now if I add 8C4 as well, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3 and 2 cancels with 6. 4 cancels with 2. You get 35 into 2, 70. And 93 plus 70 is 163. So I understand the smallest value of n such that, so if I'm adding all of this, I get 8C0, 8C1, 8C2, 8C3, and 8C4. This is the smallest value of n, which makes it greater than 128 because you're getting the total sum as 163. And if you compare it, you get n minus 1 is equal to 4. And from there, you get n it's equal to 5. So you get that the smallest value of n that I should have to have probability of at least n correct answers less than half, the smallest value of n is equal to 5. And if you see the answer choice that matches here with the question, it is option A. So A becomes the correct answer for the question given to us. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions, which deals with the ideas of probability, where they have given you the number of questions that were 8, and probability of answering the answers of the question as true is half, as well as probability of answering it as false is also half. So the smallest number of correct answers I should have so that the probability should turn less than half, it's equal to 5. So A becomes the correct answer there. I'll see you again tomorrow with some other question from some other topic. And we're going to continue our series of questions on 11th, 12th, as well as JEE mains. So stay tuned for more videos to roll out. Also, if you're enjoying these videos that we are doing every day, please do like the videos as well. Also, share the videos with your friends who are involved in the preparation of questions on JEE, so they can also take the benefit from these questions which we are doing on everyday basis. Also, if you are enjoying the videos, please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you tomorrow with the next video. Thank you.